Hi, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. Today we're going to clarify a misunderstanding that has been shared by so many foreigners in the US. So many believed as soon as I start my green card application, I can stay in the US without worrying about my status, wait until I get the green card. This is wrong. Starting a green card application, submit a green card application, waiting for a green card application, this period of time does not replace your non-immigrant status. What does that mean? During your waiting for the green card, you have to maintain a valid non-immigrant status in order to be able to legally stay in the US. If you don't do that, if you think starting a green card application can replace my non-immigrant status, then you probably will accumulate unlawful presence. The consequence is very serious. If unlawful presence for more than 180 days, you trigger 3-year bar, which means you cannot enter US for 3 years. And if accumulated for more than 1 year, you trigger 10-year bar, which means you cannot enter US for 10 years. So starting a green card application while waiting a green card application does not replace your non-immigrant status. If you stay in the US while waiting for your green card application, you have to keep your non-immigrant status valid. For example, if you are working for employer, so probably you will have H-1B working visa. While you're waiting for your green card, you have to maintain your H-1B working visa. If you need to extend it, you need to extend your H-1B working visa. If you change your employer, you need to transfer your H-1B working visa. If you get laid off, you lose your job, you need to transfer from H-1B to other non-immigrant status. You will have to maintain valid non-immigrant visa until the day you are granted your green card. So for many foreigners, a green card application takes years. So during those years, maintaining a valid non-immigrant status while you are in the US is the key. If you have a violation record, if you accumulate unlawful presence, that will impact the final result of your green card application. And probably if you don't know this, you already accumulate enough unlawful presence, your green card will be denied because of it. Hopefully our today's tips are helpful to you. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you.